So continuing now from the subject of, continuing now that is, from the subject of how to make a rabbit cage, okay, we just simply need a table now to do this. That's why in woodwork they use a lot of tables. So we've got our wood that we're going to use here. We've got some offcuts here because we're going to use that for the time being, and the nails we're going to use. Okay, and we've got the hammer, whatever it is, over there. Okay, so we'll bring this here. Okay, and bring a G clamp. Okay, bring it against this here. Okay, okay, and just bring it here and just clamp it. Okay, that should be enough. If you only got one G clamp, this should be enough to do the job. But if you've got more G clamps, it's good to put another one. So we'll measure this, it's the same size. We'll put it here. Okay, okay. Grab one of these and come here. Okay. I'll put another G clamp here. Just like that. Okay. Now we get a piece of wood. This has to be the same size here. Doesn't really matter how long they are. They're full of walls. Okay, so the cage will go this way, and this will go. These will be full of walls. Okay. So we come here on this side. Mind you, this is for me this cage, so I don't mind if it's got joints like this, like I said in the previous video, and if the wood is different here. But the ones that I'll be selling, they won't have a joint here, and the wood will be the same. Everything will be done a lot better. This is just for me, so I use offcuts to save wood because it's for me. So I don't mind that. So we get a 1.5 inch nail. Come here, get an offcut, put it here, bring it here, okay? And bring here the nail, just simply just hammer in here. I didn't go in too well, but anyway, put another one here. Okay, and what we do is move the nail out from there, put him here, and bring this G clamp and the other one, and bring it up here. Okay, bring that here. Okay, come up here, just a little bit, just a little bit, let that flush. Now we can do it a lot tight. Okay. Okay, get a longer piece of wood, and bring it here. Okay, and an offcut, bring it on this side. Just to hold that steady. We might come this side actually. It's actually better this side. Okay. Just like that. Doesn't matter if it's crooked. Okay, just here. Come down here like this. Okay. Now we got that steady so it doesn't move. This is why we put this and that there. Now we loosen this and square it off a bit. Wherever it goes. By the eyes, it's not going to be 100% square, but you don't worry about this side, you worry about that side. Okay, as I said to you before. Okay, just put it as square as possible, but you don't have to do it too much now. You square it off in the end when the last piece goes on there, on each side. Okay, so come here and put one like that. And one here. Then we put one here. And put a third one here. Okay. Okay. So that's what you do. Okay. We continue that to the other 4 pieces and then we move on. Okay. So you do the same thing on the other 4 corners.